Alright, Flat Rate Mechanic here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to reset the oil life on 2013 Acura ILX. First off, what you're going to want to do is just turn it on. I actually already have it on here, so I'm going to go ahead and shut it off. To turn it on, you're going to want to hit this button twice. 1, 2, everything turns on. And we're going to use these menu buttons down here to scroll through the menus. You go up and down to select, and then the second one you're going to want to use to select. So here's what we're going to do. We're just going to scroll. We're going to scroll up and down, and as you can see, scrolling up and down brings you to all these different menu items. So we're going to go to custom settings. Once you scroll to that, we're just going to hit the select. So we select that, and you're going to want to scroll through these using your arrow keys until you see maintenance information. We're going to select that, and we're just going to go to reset. Hit reset. Maintenance information is reset, and as you can see, if we go back into maintenance settings, you can see oil life 100%. So we're good to go. Thanks for watching Flat Rate Mechanic. Be sure to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel for more great DIY auto repair videos.